Welcome back to school, Morris Mustangs. We're very excited to be welcoming students back into the building. And in order to keep the building open, we will need to keep everyone safe with a daily health screening. The daily health screening is a very important part of our reopening plan. Everyone who comes into the building will need to provide attestation that a daily health screening has been conducted. If a health screening was not done prior to arrival at school, we will do that here. Conducting a daily health screening is easy. Step 1, take your child's temperature to ensure that it is below 100.0. Step 2, review the health screening questions. In the past 2 weeks, have you experienced any symptoms of COVID-19? Have you traveled internationally or from a state that has widespread community transmission of COVID-19? Have you knowingly been in close or proximate contact in the past 14 days with anyone who has tested positive through a diagnostic test for COVID-19? Have you tested positive through a diagnostic test for COVID-19 in the past 14 days? Once you have done the health screening, all you need to do is put your child's name on the health pass, the date, and your signature, and send the health pass into school with your child. Those will be collected upon entry to the building. We are working on getting an online pass. When we have information regarding how that system will work, we will be sending that out to you as well. Reminders: send the health pass with your child. Anyone who arrives at school without a health pass will be screened. 2, don't forget to send a mask with your child. We have extras here if needed. And also, students can bring water bottles to school with them this year, as our community water fountains will be shut down. Thank you in advance for your cooperation, Mustang families. We're really looking forward to having our students back with us and know that if we work together, we can keep everyone safe.